Hi, good afternoon. Today is 18th of December 2017. Right now it's about 12:15 and I am in Germany. Right now it's about 8 o'clock here and it's still not daytime, it's still dark outside. But I've been up since morning and watching the market. So what a move Nifty has given today. What a huge movement Nifty has done today. Look at it, like it started about 200, 250 points down from wherever it closed and rapidly bounced back. See, this is the flight it has taken. And it's a huge, huge, huge flight, and it was, evident from every angle. It was evident that Nifty is not going to go down. All this panic was created, like it's not a genuine, it wasn't genuine, this panic has been created, so that people can exit their positions and lose money. Like if you don't understand market, you will definitely lose money with such a huge movement up and down. So, let's look into Nifty and try to predict what lies ahead. So this is Nifty's option chain. If you see here 10,400, this is the place, see call unwinding happening at this point, and the highest call writing at this moment happening at 10,500. Right, so the first target that I could see for Nifty is 10,500, and see here the huge put being written here, right, which is also at the 10,400 level. And where is Nifty right now? 10,418. It does not go below that. It does not go below that. Let me refresh and see what's happening. So the put writing has further increased. That means in no case Nifty is going below 10,400, right? So those who have been trading with me, I'm sure you have all understood what I want to tell you, and I'm 100% sure that you all are having huge profits. Even I am having a huge amount of profit right now. In one out of Nifty, I sold it on Friday, and I bought it back again, and I definitely have a huge profit right now, 8,156. And also have done a morning trade on IRB Infra. Let me show you what did I do. So IRB Infra, I entered somewhere here at 219.3, somewhere here at this point. This is where I entered, right? And after that, it has been in this upward flight. It's been in the uptrend. It's been, see the beautiful support that it took. And after that, I entered somewhere here. After these three big candles were formed after 45 minutes, somewhere here, I entered actually on the third candle itself, right? So one of the reason why I entered was because it was on the pivot point. It was honoring the pivot point. That was another reason why I entered into this particular stock. Let me show you. Let me put the pivot point and show it to you. So here it is. So here it is. Now see, this is where I entered. Like, can you see this taking a good support? It held itself at about 219.3, and that is where I entered. I'll show you. I bought it at 219.3. That is where I bought it, right? And then of course these are the box orders, and you need the least amount of money. Let me show you how much money do I need for 2,000 stocks, right? If I do the box order, but the only condition here is that your observation has to be absolutely correct. You can't be wrong. Like it can't be, if you lose it, you lose a huge amount of money. Let me take it to 20. Quantity I bought was 2,000, and I had a stop loss of 2 points and the target of 5 points, but doesn't matter. Calculate. So how much money I needed? I only needed for 2,000 shares 29,040 rupees, right? A leverage of 15 times, and you can see the amount that I'm having right now. I have earned 6,500 on this already, and I do expect if another momentum comes, it will give me good profit. This is my sell price. This is my sell price. I'll just wait. If it takes a support and bounces back, it should give me good profit. My sell order is at 226.3. So I do expect it to give me that profit as I have put. And I wanted to take you here. I want to show you one more trade, which I had given on Rockers. This is Bombay Dyeing. Look at it. What a huge run up it has given. I'll show you here. Bombay Dyeing. See here, we gave Bombay Dyeing on this day, 7th. Let me take you here. This is where the Bombay Dyeing is. Can you see? Right? We said that buy Bombay Dyeing at 210 with stop loss of 200. Which date was it? 7th of December. What date is today? It's 18th. Just about 10 trading sessions. This is where we gave it to you, about here. 210, this point. And after that, this is a flight. 210, and right now, where is it? 287, right? That means good about 77 points. That means about, how much is the return? 77 points means good about 30%, 35% profit. This is what this particular stock has given, right? So if you want to learn, see here, this is also heading up now. My stock of IRB Infra is also heading up. So if you want to learn how to do this analysis and how do you get such kind of huge profits, like today was supposed to be a market with, which opened massively, gap down. Our members have minted money. I want to show you. We have already posted it on our channel. So I request you all to join my channel, Stock Pro, because see here, you get to see good trades on the breakout. So this is one member who's made 55,200 rupees, right? Another one has made 10,800 rupees, right? Another one has made 55,201. Another one has made these profits. You can see here, these are the profits he has made, right? Then this is another member who's made in Ashoka Leyland and VEDL, 24,500. So these are the trades that they have done by themselves. Some of them as new as this latest webinar. They're also minting money. And now we're going to be starting with our batches on 6th of January. And 6th of January batch is going to be in English. English will be mixed, but there will be another batch that I will start, say around the 3rd week of January, which will be purely in Hindi. So please register yourself. Seats everywhere are limited. Like you wouldn't get many seats anywhere. So what I'm saying, that analysis, correct analysis matters a lot. Like how, when do you enter, when do you exit, and how do you manage your money? That all matters a lot. So this is the amount of profit each trade gives you. Like I am telling you that when you understand the direction of the market, then you are never in losses. You are never in losses. Market, see, I'll show you what did our member do. There is this Nifty call. So we asked everybody to buy it on Friday. So we bought it about 7 rupees, and it gave us on Friday. We bought it at about not Friday. We bought it on Thursday at about 7 rupees or so, 7 or 8 rupees, and it gave us a good profit on Friday itself. Then some of the members were still having, the call, believing that today the results will be good from the BJP. But as expected, there was a news, there was a kind of rumor, and because of that, the SGX Nifty was down by about 170 points, and the market opened massively gap down, right? So what they did precisely, they averaged there, they bought it at 3.5 rupees and brought it, cost down. And they all made huge profits. As I showed you, you can see many of them are just having the Nifty calls. They just have the Nifty calls only. See here, Nifty calls. These are the calls we have given. You can see here, these are the Nifty calls we gave them, right? And see, they've made money in each of them. Then see here, the Nifty call, right? So he's made 13,000 on the Nifty call itself. This is Nifty futures, right? And So each of our members understand when to enter, when to exit, and that is how they actually make money. For them, everything is an opportunity. It's never, that, market is down or market is up. It's for them opportunities. They search for the opportunities and enter into them. So now let's just refresh once again and see what's happening in Nifty. Let's see what's happening in Nifty. I'm not exiting my trade right now. So more call unwinding here and more put writing here means Nifty definitely plans to go up. Now, whatever little bit here and there, those are all temporary. We don't need to worry about them. Let's look at it through our, so the immediate target that I could see here is 10,476, right? That definitely Nifty should be able to touch today. And similarly, let me look into the Bank Nifty. What's happening in Bank Nifty? So Bank Nifty exactly has the same structure, exactly same structure. Like it opened gap down and massively picked up. So one stock which you've all been troubled about is Walchand Nagar. This is Walchand Nagar. So I'm telling you, please don't worry. This should be fine. See, the fact that today it opened so much gap down and bounced back so quickly is indicative that the stock do not plan to remain in this lower zone. It is definitely going to go up. So if you have any doubts in your heart, please be assured that this should be fine in a day or two if you have created position in this particular stock. So, right, that is what my perception is, and I'm just so I'm just waiting for it to, this is IRB Infra. I have created my position. I'm just waiting my trade to mature, and my trade is automatic. Either it'll hit the profit or it'll hit the stop loss. Now, since I'm in the profit zone, what I plan to do is that I'll go here and keep shifting, keep editing. This was my actually I could have put, while I was doing the box order itself, I should have put a trailing stop loss of ₹1, which I probably forgot this time. But otherwise, now what you can do here is, these are your stop losses. Like these are all your stop losses. Keep shifting them by, bring it to your cost price. You can edit from here, and I bought it at 119.3, so it should be 119.5. That is where I can bring my stop loss to. But now, so this is what you can do, right? To actually lock your profit and not allow your losses to incur. Keep changing your stop loss, keep shifting it up, right? So this is what I have enjoyed, and I have a feeling now my target of 226.3 should also be met. 226.3 should also be met, because the stock looks very, very robust and solid to me. As of now, wherever we are, it looks very, very strong. So let's see. If it doesn't happen, my stop loss right now is going to be 221.8. This pivot point is my stop loss. Okay, so if it goes below this, I will exit, and if it heads up nicely, then probably I'll see to it. Maybe I'll be booking my profits. Okay, so guys, if you want to analyze stocks like Bombay Dyeing, stocks like, I've given another stock which is actually doing very, very well, which is Phoenix Mills Limited, right? I gave it somewhere here at 527, and it is at 612. Almost like, I gave it at 530, around 530, and it is at 612. That means 70, 80, 82 points up. Good 40% profit, right? This is the run up the stock has given. Each of the stock that I give will give you these kind of beautiful run ups, so basically what you have to do is, looking at the present scenario, you have to predict the future, right? You have to look at the present scenario, and by looking at the present scenario, you have to predict the future. So we have a lot of factors that we take into account, and from there we predict the future. So this is how we analyze our stock. When you have a entire report in front of you, you can go to my Telegram channel. All of you must join my Telegram channel and just see here how the stocks have been performing. There may be a stock or two which are not doing good, but don't worry. because the factors that I look into all are indicating towards one direction only, that they will head up, right? Sometimes a stock moves in a day or two, sometimes it takes a longer time. So, but that's immaterial. My stock, if I have given, they will go up no matter what. I'm 100% sure about it. So see here, Trident was also giving us a lot of pain for quite many days, but today it has bounced back. Today, these 3 days it has gone down. Now it is bouncing back. Even an advanced enzyme is also now kind of doing pretty good. So I'm expecting them all to give a good returns, right? So this is what I wanted to share, guys. If you want to join, if you want to understand the market, if you want to learn, and if you want to have the consistent profits, please join the webinar, upcoming webinar. And yes, I do feel sometimes I almost speak about it every time, but I believe if I would not do, you will all not get to see. You will not, not make up your mind. So here, this is another one of my favorite stock, 𝐻𝐵, right? See the beautiful green candles. In spite of the gap down opening of the market, it is bouncing back with such gusto. Another stock that I really love is Graphite India. In the morning, it was massively down, right? It was massively down, but it has bounced back, right? And so this is what I'm telling you. In case, if you want to really, really be in the right direction, of the market, right? And you will never lose money if the market is going up, head up along with the market. And if the market is going down, you should be able to judge that and be in the same direction as the market is. So to teach you that, I'm inviting you to join my webinar on 6th of January. You have all the information here. Go to my website. It is stockprotraining.com, right? Go to my website, stockprotraining.com. You go through all the information that is available here. And this is where you have the webinars. Now it's 6th of January. And you can just join now, right? Go here, join now, pay by credit card, and you have various options. You can pay by credit card, you can pay in EMI, you can do whichever way you want to, right? So I am really waiting for you all, because I really believe that just by spending 30,000 rupees, and we ensure that you will recover this money from the market, right? That is our promise, which no other person in the industry does. And we promise that no matter whatever your investment, we will ensure that you will get it back. Not only that, you will earn beautiful profits like the ones I have shown you, right? These are the profits members have created themselves. Once they understand the market, there's only purely Nifty profits. So this is how you can all be able to generate such beautiful profits, right? These are our members' traits. Some of them we have given, some of them they have done by themselves. So I'm really, really waiting for you all, right? In case you have a problem, in case you have a doubt, you can WhatsApp me on my WhatsApp number, which is 8920891948. You can get those information just in the description box of my YouTube channel, right? So good day, bye-bye, see you tomorrow. And my work will continue from whichever corner of the world I am, but I will be there for you guys so that you understand market. All right, good day, bye-bye, see you tomorrow.